Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and TGI Friday. I am particularly excited about this Friday as it is the last day of work for me before my vacation next week. I'll be headed down south for some overdue R&R. I will miss you guys, but I promise I'll be back the week after that. Now, of course, this morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much happening for earnings reports today, but we will see which stocks are the biggest gainers and losers as well. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app so you can access all your favorite research tools on the go too. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are currently mixed this morning as investors wait to hear jobs reports due later this morning. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.12%, while S&P 500 futures are down 0.02% and NASDAQ futures down 0.34%. Shares of Bed Bath & Beyond tanked yesterday and are continuing to drop in the pre-market this morning after the company announced that they are considering filing for bankruptcy. The retailer warned that there was substantial doubt about the company's ability to continue. In their preliminary third quarter sales, they were at $1.26 billion, which was down 33% from the year prior. The Wall Street Journal cited people familiar with the matter saying that they're prepping to file for bankruptcy within weeks and that a Chapter 11 filing could go into February. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate sell with an average downside of 11%. Also plummeting yesterday and again this morning is Silvergate Capital. This is after the company announced an enormous loss and that they'd be cutting 40% of their employees. The crypto bank disclosed that deposits had dropped by $8.1 billion in their fourth quarter. They described the events as a crisis in confidence, and along with cutting their headcount by 40%, they'll be streamlining their product portfolio, reassessing customer relationships, and taking a $196 million impairment charge. Amidst all this, analysts still rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 228%, with a handful of buy ratings coming in just yesterday. Tesla has slashed their car prices in China once again. This is the second round of price reductions in China since October. They'll be reducing the prices for all versions of their Model 3 and Model Y cars in the range of 6 to 13.5%. This follows the news yesterday that Tesla had delivered fewer cars made in China in December than it had the month before. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 132%. Walmart recently highlighted the success of their drone delivery program. In the year 2022, they said that they completed over 6,000 deliveries via drone from their 36 different drone delivery hubs across the country. They said that they are incredibly proud of their team for creating the largest drone delivery footprint of any U.S. retailer, and they're encouraged by the positive response from customers and look forward to making even more progress this next year. Analysts rate the Walmart stock a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 14%. And Costco reported increased sales for the month of December. December sales came in at $23.8 billion, which increased 7% year over year. They also reported net sales of $82.16 billion for the 18 weeks ended January 1st, comparable to $76.34 billion a year ago. Analysts currently rate the Costco stock a strong buy with an average upside of nearly 24%. And like I said, nothing really happening on the earnings calendar today, so let's move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by WWE World Wrestling after it was announced that their majority owner and former chief executive Vince McMahon planned on returning to the company and pursuing a sale of the business. Trading under the ticker WWE, their stock is up over 10%. They're followed by the AMTD Idea Group under AMTD, up 9%, and Alvotech under ALVO, up 6.4%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by XPeng, along with other Chinese EV stocks as they react to Tesla's price cuts in China. Trading under the ticker XPEV, the stock is down 11%. They're followed by Li Auto under LI, down 7.6%, and Data Nexus under DADA, down 6.8%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and check out my latest video over on JT Wealth, where we look at the best and worst stocks of 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will miss you next week when I'm on my vacation, but we'll see you the week after. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.